Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Hasselblad 907X special edition camera and you need to reset all of the values to their factory defaults. Now there's kind of two reasons you might want to do this. Number one is troubleshooting. If the camera is not working the way that you think it's supposed to be, or it's lagging, or it's just not working the way you think it is because it's glitching, a hard reset can fix a lot of these issues. You will need to kind of set all of your favorites and all of your configurations up again, which is the second reason you might want to do this. If you're just trying to get it back to the way it was when it came out of the box with all of its default settings and everything like that, we can go ahead and do that quite easily. With it turned on, we're just going to come over and press the menu button here. And once that opens up that menu, we're going to tap on the General Settings menu. From the General Settings menu, we'll tap on the Service menu. And from the Service menu, we will tap on the Factory Reset menu. Then it will ask us to confirm, at which point we can just hit yes, we want to confirm the factory reset, and all of the values will be reset to their default factory settings.